Welcome back to another episode, guys. We're gonna finalize the tile. Yesterday was waterproof, and we installed all of the back wall tiles. So today is the left and the right, as well as the niche. So let's get to it. We use Schluter All Set, our favorite thin set of choice. Very sticky, it cures extremely hard. And it works, of course, with all Schluter products. So let's mix them up and get started. So here we are, guys, making progress. Shower is complete other than the decorative that goes behind the niche. We had a problem with what was picked up by our client, so we are going to find something else that mixes well and complements the wall tile, our Carrera vanity top, as well as this porcelain here. We have porcelain planks with a tone of gray in them. So that will be installed tomorrow. We're working on the floor now. We have our deecher down. Our 3-foot planks are going in at a 33% offset. We think a 33% offset is the best look for porcelain planks when you install in a small bathroom like this. So everything's gonna look clean. We have it butted up here. We're gonna run silicone at that edge where the tile meets the tub. Of course, silicone around the perimeter of the tub. Where the planes meet, the vent fan, we pulled the old one. We will be installing that tomorrow as well. So moving right along, let's get back to it. Okay, here we are. The shower tile is complete. Time to grout this up. We're going to use Prism grout. The color is platinum. And we'll run our silicone where the two planes meet around the tub and the ceiling. The grout party begins.